What's up guys, Garrett with Aldan American, and today we're gonna be checking out my 1970 Chevy Nova. This car was found by a friend of mine up in San Leandro, California. It was sitting in a shipping container for probably 30 plus years parked. What happened is at some point, I believe, the car was T-boned, hitting the driver's door, and from there was parked in the shipping container. The old owner passed away. It was like a trust sale. My buddy found it. He's on a job site up there, and on a group text, he's like, hey guys, I got this Nova. One of my other buddies ended up picking it up. He's going through some stuff, and somehow I ended up picking it up and buying it. So I've got it now. It's all original. I mean, if we'll get in another video, we'll get up on the rack and go through it, but it's got all the stock suspension on it, all the shock springs, even the tires. I think it was a lower mile, maybe around like 118,000 miles on this motor. So I mean, it's got the original 307 motor in it. We were able to get the motor fired up. It's got an automatic transmission, kind of like a grandma mobile, but it's cool. It's growing on me. And so what the game plan is, what the build plan is, we're gonna take this car, I'm building a 454 big block for it right now, and then we're gonna go through it and just go through all the old original suspension, and we're gonna put a lot of our bolt-on performance suspension here at Aldan American, gonna go on this car. You know, companies like Performance Online, they do a ton of suspension stuff. We're working with those guys, a few of our other dealer partners as well, and we're gonna build this thing. So stay tuned, check it out. Wait for part 2, part 3 coming, but this will be an ongoing build here at Aldan American.